Once in a small village lived a young boy named Kabir. He was intelligent, but had one big problem. He could never focus. His mind would jump from one thought to another, like a restless bird. If he started reading or doing any other important work, he would soon get distracted by games or something else. If he tried to study, he would think about his phone or friends. Kabir's father often told him, "Son, your mind is like a wild horse. If you do not control it, it will take you in the wrong direction. Discipline your mind, and it will take you anywhere you want to go." But Kabir never took it seriously. One day, an old wise teacher named Guruji, he was known for training young people to achieve success. Kabir's father took him to meet Guruji and explained his problem. Guruji smiled and gave Kabir a small glass of water, saying, "Hold this glass and don't spill a single drop while walking around my garden." It seemed simple, but as Kabir walked, birds chirped, leaves rustled, and other children laughed nearby. Every time he looked around, water spilled. When he returned, half the glass was empty. Guruji asked, "Why did you spill so much?" Kabir replied, "I got distracted." Guruji said, "This glass is like your goal, and the water is your focus. The distractions around you are like the noise of the world. If you do not discipline your mind to stay fixed on your purpose, you will lose everything before you know it." Kabir finally understood. From that day, he started small, waking up at the same time daily, limiting his phone use, and giving his full attention to whatever he did. He practiced meditation for a few minutes each morning to train his mind to be calm and steady. At first, it was difficult. His mind still wandered, but he kept pulling it back to the task at hand. Days turned into weeks, and slowly Kabir felt a change. His memory improved, his grades went up. 1 year later, a big national competition was announced. Students had to solve complex problems within a limited time. Kabir joined. The questions were tricky, and many students panicked. But Kabir stayed calm. He focused on one question at a time, just like Guruji had taught him with the glass of water. When the results came, Kabir was declared the winner. Everyone cheered for him, and Guruji smiled with pride. Kabir had proved that a disciplined mind is stronger than talent, luck, or even intelligence. From then on, Kabir became known in his village as the boy who mastered his mind. If you felt even a little spark of motivation today, do not let it fade. Like this video, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe so that we can keep walking this journey of strength and wisdom together. Your next chapter of success begins the moment you decide to discipline your mind. Start today.